Moving on to element C, we will evaluate the impact of Spanish contact on the American Indians, including the explorations of Hernando de Soto and the establishment of Spanish missions along the barrier islands. Spain realized that Columbus did not find a new route to India. Columbus had found the whole new world. So they sent over the conquistadors to begin taking over the newly discovered lands. Conquistadors or conquerors. They were sent to conquer the new world. Please pause your video and fill in your slide. Spain claimed all land in the New World. What we now know as Florida is what they claimed, and they believed Florida to be an island, so they named it La Florida, the Island of Flowers. Remember back when we talked about the Mississippi Indians and Hernando de Soto? De Soto was the first European to have contact with the Mississippians. De Soto was also the first explorer to explore the interior of Georgia. You can see his route here that De Soto and the conquistadors took. Please pause your video and fill in your slide. The reason for Spanish exploration of the New World was God, gold, and glory. The God was to create Spanish missions, a way to convert the Native Americans to Catholicism, the Catholic religion. The gold was the seeking of riches. They thought there were cities of gold. The glory was that power, the power to have more land, the power to become more powerful. Please pause your video and fill in your slide. So, it wasn't all unicorns and rainbows when the Europeans came over to the New World. Remember the missions? The Native Americans were forced to accept the European religion. The Europeans were also brought over Spanish weapons, which were no match for the bow and arrow of the Native Americans. Also, diseases like smallpox and yellow fever, diseases that the Native Americans had no immunity to. Another way the Native Americans were affected was the Europeans forced the Native Americans into slavery, so they enslaved many Native Americans. Please pause your video and fill in your slide. On the following slides, you will need to answer the questions. Click on these links to answer the questions.